My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that are related to the website browntouchmysky.com. Browntouchmysky.com is the website that tries to trick its visitors into actually clicking on the special allow button, supposedly as the part of some browser checkup. Some other versions of these pop-ups indicate that people need to click on allow to verify their age or to prove that they are not robots, but to click on allow is extremely dangerous because in this case the browser would be hijacked. You may be redirected to many other questionable pages like that. In some cases, you may be redirected even to malicious resources that may promote adware, browser hijackers, and other threats. On top of that, if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you will start getting numerous ads in the right part of the computer screen. So you should definitely do something to deactivate these ads. Otherwise, they will keep disturbing you greatly. To remove these ads from the Google Chrome, access the menu, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then Site Settings, go down to Permissions and select Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this site, browntouchmysky.com, make sure you remove it from the list. And of course, if you see other junk sites on the list, remove them too. I also recommend that you research the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, install the program and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.